Friends, welcome back to my channel. In a microwave oven we have just small motor, this synchronous motor, and it rotates a very large tray. How it becomes possible? Let's open it and we will see what is inside and what is theory behind this. Just only two wires are entering here. If you check resistance, 10 kilo ohm. That means there is no diode or any component inside. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never do this experiment. Just only 4 watt input. If I hold it, I am unable to hold it. Let's see how this small motor can generate a large torque, and its spinning is very slow. One gear here, this armature is spinning at high speed, then this gear, then this gear. All reduction gears are reducing speed. When speed is reduced, the torque is increased. Output shaft here, so that is reason it is creating heavy torque. When speed is reduced by gear mechanism, the torque will increase. If I will try to stop this gear, it will not stop. I will not apply too much force so that this plastic gear will break. But if I want to stop this one, this magnet, it will stop easily. This is permanent magnet rotor. Outside here is coil. The outer coil produces magnetic field. Coil, permanent magnet rotor. First stage gear, second stage, third stage, and this is final stage gear. This final stage gear will couple with this gear. So this gear mechanism will drive the output load. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.